The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, northeastern Polk County in northwestern Georgia, southern Bartow County in northwestern Georgia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sunny, or near Cedartown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, emergency management. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Rockmart, Fish Creek, Burnt Hickory Ridge, Kellogg Creek, Red Top Mountain State Park, Oak Grove, Kennesaw State University, Aragon, Ackworth, Ian Harley, Emerson, Van Wert, George Washington Carver St. Park, Sunny, Crossroads, Cedartown, Due West, Stylesboro, Braswell, and Kennesaw. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 6 p.m. in Atlanta, it was partly sunny.